You excited for the video? Yeah? Alright. Okay. So guys, I need your help on something today. I'm doing something very, very special. So I need you guys, since I can't figure this out. Hey, no, hey, stay calm. Stay calm. No, don't go under there. No, don't go under there. Don't go under there. Don't go under there. No. Okay, I need you guys' help to try to find a name for this little guy right here. I can't. Blah, blah, blah. Stop trying to get under the pillow. I can't really think of a name for him. So I need you guys to try to think of a name for him. And I will choose the one that I like the most. So you don't have to I won't choose the first one I see. You don't have to rush to you don't have to rush to the comment section. But so yeah, if you choose a good name for this, stop, you're gonna fall off the bed. Okay, if you choose a good name for this guy, I might pick it. So yeah, I need your guys' help to choose a name for him. I still don't have a name. And that's about it. No, calm down! My God! You're gonna fall. You little, hey, okay. Anyways, guys, okay. Thanks for watching. I'm sorry, did I hurt you? I hope I didn't. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment your suggestions down below. Bye.